Hi, Heather, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. My day just got like astronomically better because my tarantula has arrived, my tarantula baby. In this box is a little caribena versicolor baby tarantula. It's only about, it's smaller than a quarter. That's how big it is, just to kind of put it in perspective. Yes, you can order them in the mail. I got mine from Fear Not Tarantulas. It's an overnight shipment. They give you a ton of instruction on how to properly prepare and take care of this little baby. So we're gonna break into it, get it rehoused. I have a little house over here for it. We're gonna get prepped today as well, but I wanna check on it first and make sure that it is just like, it's perfect. I've loved tarantulas my entire life. Every time that I go to this local place, it's called the Reptarium, they have tarantulas there. I always ask to hold them. I get that they don't love to be held, but I love them so much and I want to look at them. And while I probably will handle this, and there's definitely going to be some discussion in the comments on whether or not you should handle your tarantula, I will handle it minimally, but it will be impossible not to touch it. It is just an absolutely beautiful little creature. If you have arachnophobia, this is the thing that most people are afraid of, and then once you set it down on your hand, when you go to like a place like the Reptarium and put a tarantula on your hand, you just melt into a puddle because you realize how sweet they are, how absolutely adorable they are. There are a couple different kinds of tarantulas. There's a million different kinds of tarantulas, but there's two main species or two main genuses. I'm definitely getting that wrong. You have old world tarantulas that are big and a little bit more aggressive, a little bit faster, and I believe that most of them don't really have like curly hairs. And then you have new world tarantulas, and they're like super cute little fuzzy butt things, and they're a little bit more docile. So obviously that's what I got. The one that I have is a caribena versicolor, and I spent a really long time picking this one out as my very first tarantula because I wanted it to be something that I could handle, and these ones are the most handleable of all of the tarantula species. They're also arboreal, which means they like taller enclosures and they like foliage and stuff, which I thought was just really pretty. Whereas there's other ones that are terrestrial or subterrestrial. Those are the ones that will have like dirt in their enclosure, and then they'll dig down into it, they'll cave down into it. And I didn't want to like stare at dirt. I wanted to look at cute foliage. I wanted to see it webbing up above the ground and stuff. So that's why I picked this one. Also, they're freaking gorgeous. When you see this thing come out, you're gonna be like, a tarantula is also, it's an incredibly easy pet to have. You could go on a vacation. It doesn't need to be fed. It doesn't need to be watered. You can take care of it before you leave, and then not even need to take care of it as often as you would a house plant. So you don't need to find a sitter for it. They eat infrequently, once a week, down to even once a month, or even longer than that if they're going through like a stage. They molt about every 8 weeks, and that's when it's going to grow and change, and it's gonna be fun for us to watch. I just know it. The kids are here to help with the enclosure build. So this is what we're going to use as the enclosure temporarily. You can use any acrylic type plastic box, any of that kind of jazz. Just make sure that it has ventilation holes. This is the box that we use for fruit in the fridge. I thought these holes might be a little too large for it up here, so I put some tape over it, and then I punctured new smaller holes in it. They need substrate, which is the base. The proper substrate isn't here quite yet. It'll be here tomorrow, but you could stick that in the base as like a little bed. And then I already sprinkled some water in there because they don't necessarily need a high humidity, but they might need a little bit of water to drink, and I guess they like to drink it off of the side of the enclosure. Isn't that cute? To finish building it, we need cork. Who wants to put cork in here? And like lean it up. Yeah, because it's arboreal, which means that the spiderling will like to climb a little bit. And then we'll also want some foliage. Do we think that's probably too much foliage?
Yeah, maybe cut it a little bit.
Here, you want to cut like only...
Like right.
Yeah, maybe there.
Should we cut this a little bit off?
Yeah, if you want to.
There, that seems smaller.
Put in that little corner.
Like that. Okay, so this is its little home for now until tomorrow when the dirt comes, and then we'll do the exact same thing but with dirt in the bottom. And you want the proper substrate and stuff to be sanitized. You can't just go outside and grab whatever, because it could have fertilizer or bugs or something in there that could hurt the baby. Yeah. So we had to order it. Okay, first when we pull open the lid, not really anything that you can see, just to be gentle opening. We've got a couple things in here.
It looks like a popsicle stick.
These are the tongs that I got. If you spend $50, you got them for free. These are good feeding tongs. Got them for free. In here, I believe is, that is that her? Okay. Is there anything else in this?
Foam.
Foam, more paper. What is that? It's warm. Oh, it's a heat pack to keep the box warm. Okay.
I think I see him. Oh, no.
Or her.
I honestly don't know.
This is the food I added on. It was like those 20 tiny mealworms. We feed our gecko super worms, which are probably 10 times the size. So these ones are babies, which will be a lot easier for a little spiderling to be able to handle.
Is this the spider?
Yeah. All right, take off. Take that off.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. I don't see the spider yet. Here she is not coming out yet, so let's pull some of the moths. I think I see it. Down in there, down in that little hole.
I see him, maybe.
Where you at, baby?
Where you at, baby?
Now if it comes running out, don't get scared. Oh my god. I can't handle it.
I see him!
I can't handle it. Oh
my god.
Shut the front door. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Focus. Let them see it.
Look
Let
at
your
how
fans see it.
cute you are.
Let your fans see it.
I'm dying. Do you guys want to hold? There we go. Okay. But you gotta be down before we shut the lid. Okay. There we go.
I kind of want to hold them again.
We rehoused our caribena versicolor. He's hanging out, kind of hanging out there in the corner. See down there in the corner. So then we named it. Well, Sienna named it. So what is the name of our tarantula?
Teddy!
Teddy, like a little teddy bear. It's so cute. It's fuzzy and lovely.
You missed a lot of parts. It's Teddy, Spider-Man, Harless.
Teddy, Spider-Man, Harless. Oh, I did put in my spider earrings. Did you notice?
I just noticed.
I did. For our special unboxing today, I have tarantula earrings that I got from an Etsy shop. A while ago, I think I was just manifesting that one day I would get a tarantula. I've always wanted one. Well, that's it. We're going to hang out with our tarantula now. Love you all so damn much. Please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. We don't normally unbox tarantulas on this channel. Maybe it could become a thing. Who knows what the future will hold for us.
Oh, only,
But,
only this one. Please, only this one.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't.
We'll see. Bye.